me Rakshita J, and we are going to explain online quiz application. These are the content of this page. And here is the introduction of this quiz. And an online quiz application is a digital platform used to create, manage, and evaluate through internet. It enables to create, manage, and participate this quiz at any time and anywhere. Using mobile phones and computers also. The online quiz application is a web-based platform developed to streamline to process conducting quiz at the university level. And here is a complete explanation of this project. The online quiz application is at university level to conduct and manage the quiz at online. It provides the role-based assessment. It means the quiz and students, the admins can conduct and manage the quiz, and students participate in that. The system will be multiple choice questions and multiple choice answers, and also we have a timer feature. Each question has such time. If time was passed, the quiz was automatically submitted, and the platform will be accessible with any online platform like browser. It is completely online platform, not yet available in offline. Next will be continued by Kavita.
And next comes the problem statement. Many online quiz applications have too many issues. One is for users and another one is administrators. For users, it is less effective and more confusing for the users. For administrators, it is difficult to manage the difficult types of questions. And next comes methodology. This diagram explains the online quiz applications for both admin and user can log in into the login page. After that, they log in into the home page. From home page, they are transferred to the two types: action performed by admin, and then next transferred to manage users and managing exam and managing questions, and finally they can leave the results. And users can perform by actions performed by users, like they can read the exams, they can select the exams and read the exams, and finally they can leave the results also, and finally they can log out from the admin page. And next comes the tools and technologies. There are two types: software specification and hardware specification. We used operating systems in Windows and browsers like Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. We have used front-end as HTML, CSS and JavaScript, development tools like Notepad++, and in hardware specification, processors like Intel Core i5 and RAM 4GB minimum to attend our quiz, and storage is 100 GB hard disk, and network to attend the quiz, so they need a stable network connection. And components like programming language, we have used JavaScript to make the web page more interactive, and software components like we have used HTML and CSS to structure the content, and the CSS we have used for the styles, and hardware components, web servers, storage and network. And for the topic will covered by
These are the results of our online quiz application. This is the register page where the users can register at the web page, and this is login page. In this page, the students can choose the subject of the quiz and take the quiz. And here we have inserted timers and questions. This is submit button, and this navigates the question, navigates where which question the student is attending. Even after submission of the quiz, the result of the user is displayed in this page. Our current web page only provides basic functionalities of the quiz. Now, for further development, we would like to add adaptive testing. We make use of the algorithms to increase the difficulty levels of the quiz, so that the users can easily increase their performance. And mobile app,
we would like to launch our launch our website into the mobile so that the users can easily attend the quiz from anywhere and at any time. And offline mode, which we would like to make our web page available in offline, which available offline, so that we could reduce the cheating, and also it is available in areas where there is very poor network connections. And gamification, we would like to add fun features like badges, points, and leaderboards, which makes exciting for the users to use our web page. And analytics dashboard, we would like to insert dashboards which makes the educators or the admins to analyze the results of the users who have taken the quiz. Summary: this online quiz is a web-based application which makes the users to take the quiz at anywhere from any time, and which we have inserted the timer features so that the users can easily find see the time taken by time attended by them, and this reduces the time of evaluation, and so that after submission of the quiz the result is displayed automatically so that they can see the results of the quiz immediately after submission, and this saves time and it makes very efficient for the users, and this addresses the current challenges also.
Snapshots is over.